Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Compx number NLC2017-3 trim ring. This is a trim ring that's just meant to finish off the housing of a cylinder, drawer lock, cabinet door lock, something heavier duty generally, a more robust or even institutional caliber piece of drawer locking hardware. I happen to have a lock here that I can use as a sample. After you, of course, drill your hole through the cabinet, this will come through. And that's what you're driving at right there. Just to finish off, clean off that hole is what that would look like. As far as I'm concerned, I would always use a trim ring. I can see why you wouldn't use a trimming, I suppose. But I think long-term, having that exposed edge would be disadvantageous to you. These are just pressure fit in. There's a couple of little tangs that have been perforated. You can barely see it at the tip of my finger, so that you just kind of push them in and it'll grab the inside of the wood. Little pointy triangular head there that's got a bit of a hook to it, I suppose. Let's give you some basic dimensional properties. The outside dimension, 1.148 out here. The dimension of the ring is 0.913. 0.913 outside here. The ID, it's about 0.866. 0.866 ID. The thickness of the ring overall is about 0.308. 0.308. And then the thickness of the head alone, I think you can count on that being about 0.065. 0.065. The -3 is the gold color, and that's what this is. Okay. Some sort of a bright brass or gold type plated steel. Let's switch to the screen view and let's take a closer look at some of the supporting information. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. Here is the item that we are indeed looking at. And speaking of that, let's take a closer look at the photographs that we have. There's a photo of the ring, elevation view, the side view, and you can see that little tang that's perforated there, shown here as well. A little bit of evidence, I suppose, of it right here. Better view of it here and here. Now, let's take a look at the manufacturer's extended description information. Used to cover ragged edges around board mounting holes, 7/8 diameter. Sold as each. Link to a cut sheet here. Let's take a closer look at that. Not much to see here, except that we're going to see the part numbers for the different finishes. Bright nickel is 14A, 26D satin chrome, 3 is brass, 4G is antique brass. There is a link below this video, as seen here, to the manufacturer's page, where we can pull up not only all of the Compx products that we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here. There's also a link to the manufacturer's website as seen here, and a link to the full product catalog. If it comes down to needing very good quality locks for drawers and furniture applications, Compx is a name that you can definitely count on to very likely have exactly what you need. I would take a deep dive into this catalog. This catalog I also use very successfully for sorting out different locks for mailbox applications. They don't really tell us the manufacturer of this material, but I can tell you the 8710 would work in a bomber mailbox. I know that. If you have a mailbox lock that you need to replace, go right to this catalog and then start comparing the orientation of your tailpiece. That's where you'll sort that out first. If it's down to a couple of them, You'll have to scrutinize it even further, but then you'll probably want to look at the orientation of how it's locked and unlocked. It'll help you determine that even better. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you are enjoying this video, please click thumbs up or like, and also please consider subscribing to our channel. Let's move on to the rest of the video. In conclusion, it's sometimes a video about not very much. It's like a show about nothing. If you follow that 90s reference. The fact of the matter is, it's a trim ring, very typical, common, but this will give you visual representation of exactly what it looks like and some dimensional representation as well. Also, I'd like to say about Compx, very good technical support. Every time I come in contact with their tech support department, these folks know it at the drop of the hat. They know their product line very well. Right here, very well trained, exceptional command, expert level command of the subject matter. And to them, for that, I say thank you. Any questions on the Compx NLC2017-3 trim ring or any other Compx product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.